Yo, what is up guys? Guido here, back again with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to remove your car emblems from your car. So let's just get straight into this video. Now I'm working on a 2012 Chevy Impala LS, but this video will pretty much be the exact same for every single car, as long as your emblems are just stuck on there with some adhesive glue and they're not, drilled in there or there's holes behind it or anything. But this one is just completely flush and it's just on there with a little bit of adhesive, just like this logo is here as well. But for the video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove this one, and we are just going to be heating it up and using some fishing line and getting it in between here for it to just come and pry straight off. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. So the first thing you're going to need is just a heat gun, or either a blow dryer, or blow dryer works just as good. But just go and heat the area of the emblem for a little while. Be careful, don't have it just directly in one area on the emblem or either on the paint or whatever, because you don't want to damage it. But just mainly go and heat up the area quite a bit with the heat gun, and then you're going to go and take your fishing line and just kind of go back and forth, up and down, and kind of just cut away at the adhesive. So I'm just going to be using just some of this fishing line. It's only 4 pounds. I highly recommend you get a little bit stronger fishing line than this, but I'm going to be trying to work with this. And as you see, you're just going to have to go and just kind of hook it behind there and just kind of saw up and down, and it will go and pretty much just take the whole adhesive from this off, and your emblem can come off. Anyways, it's kind of hard to see, but you can kind of see. I can't really show you, it's kind of hard, but I've just been getting the fishing line in there and just heating it up and going back and forth, and it just kind of cuts away at the little gooey stuff that actually holds us on, the adhesive and stuff. I highly recommend you go with at least like 10 pound fishing line, or even 20 pound would be ideal. Just because 4 pound, it keeps snapping and you have to keep just going at it and at it and at it. But I'm about halfway through, right pretty much in the middle of this right here. And like I said, it's kind of hard to show you, but this side's completely free, but this side's not. So just keep using the heat and the fishing line, just going back and forth, and it goes and cuts away at the adhesive underneath here. Okay, so as you can see, I've been just using the fishing line and just heating it up back and forth, and as you can see, I've got pretty much all of that cut off and it's just attached right there. So now what you can do, I recommend, instead of just yanking this off, just kind of going and sawing away at that as well, so you don't go and dent it or scratch anything from this emblem onto the paint. Okay, and as you can see, the emblem finally came off, just with a little bit of the prying and then also the fishing line, and then heating it up, it just comes off just like this. Now you're gonna need like a plastic scraper, or either just like some Goo Gone and some heat, and kind of just pry up on this adhesive that's still stuck on here. It's just like thinner foam adhesive, so it's not on there, it doesn't seem like it's on there too hard like other adhesives are, so just use some heat and then some Goo Gone. So as you can see, the emblem is completely removed. I just used a little bit of Goo Gone and stuff and kind of just sprayed it on the remaining adhesive and kind of just peeled it all off, and then did a Goo Gone wipe down to make sure everything was completely off of it. And then also make sure you go and get like a wet towel or something so you can get the Goo Gone off, because you don't want that to sit on your paint. But after that, it's completely off and there's nothing else left behind, so your car is completely emblemless. But I highly recommend, if you have ever waxed or buffed your car, I recommend you go and put a layer of wax over where the emblem was, because that's a spot that you would miss, because your emblem was covering it. So I went and put some wax on there and buffed it off, so now it looks brand spanking new and there is no emblem. So that's how you go and remove your emblems from your vehicles. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe, and peace.